Okay, 116, they want us to just write an inequality, not even anything else. So first, let's say let C equal number of cars sold each week. And you have to put each week, right, because that's part of the question. And let, what are they, trucks? T equal number of trucks, and toy trucks, right, sold each week. Okay, so now we make $2 for all the cars, so 2 times C is how much we make from the cars. And we make $3 times how many trucks we sold. And this has to be greater than or equal to $500 because it says the company needs at least $500 profit each week. So there's our inequality. At least 500 means 500 or more, right? 500 or more. That's why it's the greater than or equal.